That's what I mean by spiritual hacking. Find the technique that lets you fully let go of something so that you can be present with your family, with your friends, with your loved one, and then you can be present for your mission, or maybe you can find your mission and your purpose.
Yeah, I think it's so well said. And I'm so glad you included it, because I think for the sake of simplicity, we talk about our body, our mind, our soul or spirit or whatever we call it. But the truth is that it's so interconnected in that, as you're saying, if you can't let go of an emotional disconnect or a misalignment, chances are that's going to lead to your eating habits. And then that eating habit is going to link back to a lack of that spiritual cleansing or detoxing or whatever that may be.
Right.
And so we're kind of just stuck in this vicious cycle. And I wanted to talk to you about that, because using that spiritual hacking the other way and going, what are some of the blocks that are created physically because of the lack of letting go? What are some of the habits that you've seen develop physically in our diet, in our physical practices because of a lack of that?